Alright, so I watched a video showing some of the documents, the government documents that mention a flat, non-rotating Earth. I think that's how they word it. So I decided to look for it for myself, and basically you go to ntrs.nasa.gov/search. I typed in flat, non-rotating Earth in quotes, and so there are, now it's on 100 items per page, but there's, I don't know, maybe 15 or something like that. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, about 16, I don't know. So what I did was to make it simple to search, since there's a lot of pages. These are all documents down here, which contain, well, they say they contain that. I'm going to copy that and put it in. Okay, so I'm going to right click, open in new link or new tab, whatever. And then I'm going to click on the PDF over here because it's just simpler. When I do Control F, I don't think it finds it because you have to do this. So you'd have to go through each of 7 pages, and if it has like 300 pages, you have to go through each page. So it's easier to click on the PDF, which is on the bottom left corner. And I'm going to do Control F. There is flat, non-rotating Earth right there. So, of course, I don't know, it probably wouldn't work with, maybe it doesn't work with those things there. Just for fun, I want to see if it works. I was doing, yeah, that one worked, but some of them, when I had it like that, it didn't always work because I think that had a comma. So I just typed in flat instead. So let's try another one. Let me get rid of this, figure out where I am. Here we are, right back here. So here's, okay, that was the first one. Here's the second one. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to right click, open in new link. Is that what it says? I thought it was open in new tab. Probably says open link in new tab. Okay, we got to look for, here's the PDF. My software is in front of it, so I can't see it. We're going to do Control F. And, okay, so I don't see it there, so let me just make it say flat. And see what happens. Okay, so we've got flat, see there's a comma, flat non-rotating Earth. So this is how you find these. So get rid of that one. And where are we? Right here. So that's what we were just looking at. We're going to look at that in a minute. Actually, we'll just look at that now. This is Army Research Laboratory. Okay, yeah, it says propagation of electromagnetic fields over flat Earth, and there are 13 times that the word flat is in here. So you can look through each one and kind of look at it and figure out what it is. Flat idealized Earth. So, you know, I don't know why they would do technical manuals, assuming that the Earth is flat. Let me see if I make this bigger. This M file plots the fields over a conductive flat Earth produced by an ideal dipole, is that how you say that? Placed a distance d above the Earth. Anyway, dipole, I don't know, maybe it's dipole. I think, let's see, there's one more. Oh, I don't know. Maybe we're already looking at it. Maybe it's on the same page. I don't know, I can't find it. So that's that page. You can find these yourself. I'll put the links below. You can see the link right up here. Well, yeah, hopefully I'll put the links below if I don't forget. Here is another one. Oh, this one has a... Okay, it has the flat Earth, flat terrain, flat barren soil. But this one has a diagram that looked interesting. I haven't even looked at it yet. I just found these a few minutes ago and I haven't even really looked at them. Okay, I probably already passed it. Is this the one that has the diagram that was interesting? Or was it the other one? Might have been the other one. Because there was a certain diagram I'm looking at. Okay, maybe it's the other one. I'm looking for a certain diagram. Oh, this is it right here. I wonder if I can make that bigger. Let's see. How do we do that? Yeah. So it makes it look like, at least in this diagram, we're making it look like the sun is near. In fact, I think it might have said, let me see if I can find that. Control F, type in the word near, and see if it says anything about the sun being near, because I saw, let's see, near, light near surface wind. I don't know. What else do we have near? I saw something a few minutes ago that mentioned it, but I did not see it in here. So if you find it, let me know. Maybe it was in a different document. I thought it said something about a near sun or something. Let me type in sun and see if it says anything. I don't know. Ah, it's somebody's name it looks like. Let's look at the other one. Does this have anything about a sun? No. I saw it somewhere. Maybe it was in one of the other documents. It said something about a near sun. But that's what's, well, obviously it's not going to be in here because I don't think sun was in here. But that's what's kind of fun about, you can, did we do that one already? I don't remember. Probably. There was one in here that said that it was not, see how it says distribution limits public. There was one in here that you had to ask for, and I don't know why, and it made me curious. See if I can find it. Let's see, yeah. So, hopefully I'm on the same thing. I was doing this earlier, and I had to restart the computer to make my software work, and I'm assuming I'm doing everything the same as last time. I don't see that one that said that you had to request it. Unless I'm looking in the wrong place. I was looking over here. Let me look on the right and see if there's anything. Oh, right here. Yeah, it's weird. Right here it says public, but here it says document inquiry, and then when you click on it, you have to fill this form out. So let's see, go back. What was it? So where is it? It just disappeared. Ah, okay. They went back to the top. Here we go. This one's called Flight Evaluation of Differential GPS-Aided Inertial Navigation System. Sounds interesting, huh? But you can't see it. Well, you'd have to ask for it. I feel weird doing that. So if you open it up, you can't see it. But you can read about it here. I haven't done that. So, let's see. So basically, you go to this website. I type that in. You can type whatever you want in there. And the easiest way to see it, again, is to right-click. Oh, I'm going to open link in new window so I don't get myself confused. I'm going to click on the PDF. This one has 476 pages. So rather than going next 476 times, click on the PDF. And then I do Control F at the same time. And that's got the wrong word. We want to type in flat. And see what we got. What do we have? Okay, however, for the range of airspeeds involved in this study, flat, non-rotating Earth is assumed. So I think all of them that I was showing you, hopefully I'm not getting rid of them all. Here they are. I think all of these say flat, non-rotating Earth. Yeah, they do because I got it in quotes up there. So there's about 16 of them in here that have the words flat, non-rotating Earth. So if you want to do this, I will list the links below and let me know how it goes.